Let's move to the next one, external damages. This can happen, like I said, from roots. You would be amazed what a tree will do to get into a septic tank. I've seen them pop the seams on the lids that are on those precast septic tanks made of concrete. It's pretty crazy. So definitely make sure that you are planting trees and bushes a fair distance away from the septic tank. 20 feet, that's the rule. The age of the system may also determine whether or not you need to get a tank replacement. Now, I've seen tanks that are still working that were put in the late 50s. Isn't that crazy? They're like over 70 years old and they're still going. They're a little worn and torn, but they're still going and they're good and they're holding watertight. What that means is there's no water escaping where it shouldn't escape from. Seams, cracks, any kind of thorough corrosion. Sometimes the tanks corrode so bad after being in service for so long, it's like paper mache, like you can grab it and the concrete is like paper mache or putty in your hands. We don't want that because that is going to create environmental issues because it is going to send the pathogens that live inside of the septic tank out into the soil around that area, and that's not good for the environment. So we definitely want to make sure that we're doing those maintenance checks so we can make sure that there's nothing leaky, nothing bad is happening, no roots are growing, nothing like that is happening. Cool? Can we agree on that? Awesome.